Nyesom Wike likes to boast that nobody has contributed to PDP more than him. Dele Momodu says. I tell you, Dele Momodu, all of them are battling this Wike. And there's no reason why all of them are battling Wike and they can't hold him. Is it because of the power? Because I know that if he's not the minister, Wike, they would have crushed him. I'm telling you, the only thing he would have done to is the godfather of thugs in River State, especially Port Harcourt. That's what he would have turned to. But with the power of presidency behind him now, and even as a minister and a member of Tinubu's cabinet, that's why he's garnering all this power to cause this confusion, and nobody is able to bring him down. So Dele Momodu has this, come out now to say exactly what Wike feels and what Wike has been saying, that he has supported and contributed to PDP more than any other person. But the way he's behaving, even if he had done a very good job in the past, right now his good job has been rubbished by his behavior. That is the key thing here. Let's dive into the details to hear more from Dele Momodu. So Dele Momodu, a well-known journalist and politician, has shared his thoughts on the ongoing crisis in the People Democratic Party, PDP, speaking in PDP. So speaking during an interview with News Central TV from 0.05, Momodu expressed concerns about the role of the current Federal Capital Territory Minister Nyesom Wike in the turmoil within the PDP as a party. So according to Momodu, Wike often boasts about being the greatest contributor to the PDP. However, he argued that Wike has also benefited the most from the party, saying without PDP, Wike would be a nobody. He pointed out that Wike's political career has been built entirely within the PDP, from being a local government chairman to serving as chief of staff to Amechi, to serving as a minister, an 8-year governor, and now the FCT minister. Despite this, Wike's action seemed to be causing chaos in the party. Exactly. I think somebody need to tell Wike that, look, even though you have contributed in PDP, you have also benefited the most in PDP. That is it. The only thing left is fighting to be president. You've been a minister 2 times now. You've been a governor for 8 years. You've been a local government chairman. You've been a motor park chairman. You've been a chief of staff to Amechi. So what else do you want in politics? Why not just calm down, for crying out loud? God help us. I'm telling you. So Momodu criticized Wike for seemingly abandoning the PDP while still claiming loyalty to it. He compared this behavior to other politicians like Atiku Abubakar, who left the party when they were unhappy, and if you are tired of where you are, just leave. He said, urging the minister to fully decide where his loyalty belongs. We already saw where his loyalty belongs now. He's in PDP as a king, and his loyalty as a PDP king is to the king in APC, which is Tinubu. That's just what is there. So his loyalty is to Tinubu and APC. And that is why they cherish him so much. And that is why Tinubu will never sack Wike, because he's actually destabilizing PDP to their own good. That is it. Wike is just doing exactly what he's paid to do. Wike is just doing the agreement that he must have signed with APC and and Tinubu before getting the ministerial position. Maybe one of the jobs they gave him is to ensure that PDP never settles for life until Tinubu finishes his 8 years. That is what I see there. And he's doing it very well. And that is a kind of anti-party activity going on there. I don't know why they have not been able to sack him. And that is the power of bribery. If somebody has, bought you over, you really don't have much anymore to talk to him. Wike has bought over a lot of people in PDP, and now they don't have much to talk to him anymore. That is very, very unfortunate, I tell you. So Dele Momodu emphasized that he remains committed to the PDP because he believes in hope and persistence, shaped by his background in activism. He also acknowledged that the party needs urgent rescue, adding that he is tired of talking about Wike but finds it impossible to ignore his disruptive role. Of course, Wike is playing a very serious disruptive role in PDP. And that is what is paid to do by APC, to remain in PDP, don't decamp, just continue to cause disruption there. Don't let them settle until we finish our 8 years. And what Wike is doing, I'm telling you, they will pay him heavily. They might pay him heavily for that, but he might not find peace with the money they're giving him. Just like the INEC chairman that has done the undoable during the 2023 general election because he has been bought over, and very soon he will see the evil he has caused himself, because right now the country is not good and it's by his making, because he allowed himself to be bought over. The worst that could have happened is does it the right way and they sack him and he goes on with integrity, but he failed. So when people sell their conscience for money, I'm telling you, the money, a time will come when the money will be at their front. The money will be staring at them and they won't have peace. That money won't buy peace for them. That money won't buy integrity for them. And that is the level that Wike had descended to as we speak. So now that he has chosen to play a disruptive role in PDP, they're asking him now, Dele Momodu is asking him, you should choose where he belongs. Choose where your loyalty belongs. Okay, if your loyalty is in APC, then they come to APC and go and stay there and stop playing disruptive role in PDP while, on behalf of APC. If there's anybody that is a mole in PDP today, it is Wike. That is the truth. Wike this, Wike that. And he's not tired that his name is just spreading for no good. Anywhere you find confusion, that is where you see Wike's name. And he's very comfortable with it. Now, what for these people? These are old people that are already fathers and their families are watching them on TV. Is everything money? No. They are not ashamed of the role they're playing in building the nation. All they're interested in is grab the money and go and buy comfort somewhere abroad. Some of them will still go to their abroad and some of them die there and they bring their body back, which is very bad. Okay. So no matter how you steal and what you steal and then what you buy abroad for yourself and your family, you will still come back home. There's a time for home calling. And yet that time your record will be replayed for you. So now Wike should choose where his loyalty is. I'm telling you, he knows where his loyalty is. It's just for him to be bold enough to leave the PDP and go to APC. So I will know that it's in APC. Because right now his body, soul and spirit is in APC. Everything about him is in APC. He's just visually visible and invisible in PDP, causing disruptive rule. And that is actually very, very bad. Very bad. So now Dele Momodu has succeeded in reminding him that even when he boasts that he has contributed more than another person in developing the party, he should also remember that he has also benefited the most than any other person from the party. Because without PDP, he is nothing. And that is what Dele Momodu is saying here. Without PDP, Wike will be nothing today. And he knew that because of his behavior and how he handled the presidential election in Rivers State last year, 2023, he knows that if he didn't get that ministerial role in APC, he will be nothing. In fact, he will be nothing, worthless today, even with the money that he has packed from his 8 years tenure. I'm telling you. So that is exactly what Dele Momodu is saying. He has blasted Wike seriously here. Let's see how Wike will respond to all of this. So thank you for listening, and let's have your comment.